Hey word workers, welcome to WordWork for another lesson on base words. In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. Let's get started exploring the exciting world of base words. The base word in this video is sun. Here are some words related to the base word. Sunbathe, sunbeam, sunburn, Sunday, sunflowers, sunglasses, sunlight, sunny, sunrays, sunrise, sunroof, sunset, sunshade, sunshine, suntan. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. The sun is shining brightly today. We love to sunbathe on the beach. The sunbeam came through the window and lit up the room. I forgot to use my sunscreen and now I have sunburn. I ordered an ice cream sundae for dessert. The field was filled with beautiful sunflowers. I always wear sunglasses on a sunny day. They loved taking walks in the morning sunlight. It is a warm and sunny day outside. When the clouds parted, we saw the beautiful sun rays. I love to watch the beautiful sunrise over the mountains. We opened the sunroof and enjoyed the sunshine. We walked along the beach and enjoyed the sunset. She sat under the sunshade to stay cool while working. Some flowers need a lot of sunshine to make them grow. She spent a week at the beach and came back with a suntan. Now let's review. Sun, sunbathe, sunbeam, sunburn, Sunday, sunflowers, sunglasses, sunlight, sunny, sunrays, sunrise, sunroof, sunset, sunshade, sunshine, suntan. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.